Hello student, today we'll discuss on the topic of priority encoder. So first one is what is meant by priority encoder. So priority encoder take all of their data input one at a time and convert them into its equivalent code at its output. Input they are taking at a one time. After that they convert into their equivalent binary code. Right? See now, priority encoder solve the problem mentioned above by allocating priority level to each input. The priority encoder output correspond to the currently active input which has highest priority. So, when an input with a higher priority is present, all other input with lower priority will be ignored. The priority encoder comes in many different forms with an example of 8 input priority encoder along with its truth table shown below. See now, these are the priority encoder, 8 inputs and 3 outputs. It means that these are collecting 8 input at a time and convert into the 3-bit outputs. See now, D7 is this one is your highest priority and D0 is your lowest priority. So they are given the preference to the highest, then D6, 5 like this one, and it is lowest priority. Priority, where we are having the priority like this one. Okay. Now moving to the priority encoder are available in standard IC forms, and TTL IC 74LS148 is an 8 to 3 priority encoder which has 8 active low logic 0 input and provides 3-bit code of the highest rank input at its output. So priority encoder output the highest order input first. For example, if the input lines D3, D5 and D5, D2, D3 and D5 are applied simultaneously, the output could be for input D5 means 101, as this has the highest order out of the 3 input. Once the input D5 had been removed, and the next highest output code would be D3, 0, 1, 1 and so on. So D2, D3 and D5. So which having the highest priority? D5. If D7 is exit, then D7 having the highest priority, like this one. Okay. So once the D5 had been removed, if it is removed, then next is D3. This is removed, then next is D2, like this one. Okay. So these are the truth table of 8:3 priority. See, D0, D1, D2, 3D up to the D7. All these are the output 1, 1, 1, 1. Don't care condition, and these are the output. If we to D0 is 1 means all 0. This one is 1 means this one is D0, Q0 is 1. Okay. So according to the all 0 to the all 1 means 7. In 7, D7 is high. Okay. 6 means in that case D6 is high. 5 means D5 is high. Like these are the 5, and this is nothing but don't care condition. Okay, don't care. If you keep the zeros or 1, that does not matter. Don't care condition. Now 8 to 3 priority indicator. These are the truth table, digital inputs and our binary outputs. Now you hear X equal don't care. It is logic 0 or logic 1 from the truth table. The Boolean expression for the encoder above with data input D0 to D7, output Q0 to Q1 as output is 0. So see now, in practice, these 0 input could be ignored, allowing the implementation of final Boolean expression for the output 8 to 3 binary encoder. We can construct a simple encoder from the expression above using the individual OR gate as follow. If you observe the diagram of 8:3, see these are the diagram of 8:3, D0 to D7. These are the Q0, Q1, Q2, 1, 3, 5, 7. Q0 is 1, 3, 5, 7. Why we can connect this 1 5 1 5 3 7? Because this one Q0 is, see here, Q0 is 1. This is nothing but your respect to 3. D3 is output high. Now this is 1 means what? At that time D5. This is 1 means at that time what? D7. So means what? All are ones. 1 1 Q0. At that time that respective is connected. So in this way we are understood the priority of a. Okay, so priority means highest priority we understood D7, then afterwards D6, 5, 4, 3, 2, D0. Like this one you can give the highest priority. Yeah? Thank you very much.